For our next section on our state research project, we are going to be looking at industries and agriculture. And so going to your assignment, you'll be watching this video. You're going to complete slide 5, only the industries and agriculture side in your state research slides. So I'm going to remember your state research packet you can find in your Google Drive. So I'm going to go to my Google Drive. And I'm going to find my state research. Wrong one. State research. Here we go. So this one's a blank one. And we are going to be looking at industries and agriculture right here. So what are common jobs in your state? So agriculture is the food that's grown. So thinking about which food is grown, what plants, trees that they use, like maybe fruit trees. So like in Minnesota, we have a lot of corn, we have a lot of apples, we have a lot of soybeans. Those are things that it's common food that we grow here. What animals are raised in your state. So thinking about the kind of animals that we have here, we have a lot of cows. We do have a fair amount of sheep, and in Minnesota, we also have a fair amount of chickens. And then industry, what products or technology is made in your state? So thinking about what kind of products or technology is do many of the jobs, do we have many jobs here? And then what are some common jobs at your state? So again, what you're going to do is you're going to go to one of the websites, and I would suggest maybe going to, you can start with Ducksters. And I'm just going to use Minnesota as an example. Here is key industries right here. Agriculture is including corn, peas, sugar beets, and turkeys. So those are things that are here, agriculture. Paper products, iron ore, biomedical, food processing, and tourism. Those are all important jobs here. So if you decide to use that, you can. If you go to a different website like National Geographic, and let's say we look at Minnesota. Here we go. Has some slideshows, and then facts, history, why is it called that, geography, wildlife, natural resources, fun. So this one doesn't really have any information, and that's a good thing to know. So you don't want to go to National Geographic for kids. So let's try Kittle. And here we actually have to type something in. So we can type in our state, and we can type in either agriculture, and we're going to come up with some things that will help us. So here's the economy. So if you go into Minnesota Fun Facts, you might be able to find out economy, so industry, we want to look for, so here we can find out what kinds of jobs we have here. Sugar beets, sweet corn, green peas for processing, and farm-raised turkeys. That's kind of the same information we found on the other page. Another one, forestry and logging is important here, and iron ore, mining iron ore. So those are important here. So do some research on some of those and make sure that you fill in your sheet. Right here, agriculture and industry, just this side. That's the only one. We're not going to do attractions yet.